Welcome to Zero Day Swag. I'm your narrator and your plastic accountability buddy. Call me Toy Soldier Sarcastic Specialist. Around here, we break down every guard MOS like it's a tactical loadout, minus the sugar coating, no fluff, no recruiters in polos, just the truth. Let's see what this one's made of. You like making sparks legally? This one's for you. This is 12 Romeo Interior Electrician. You install, wire, and troubleshoot everything that makes the guard light up. Transformers, circuit panels, junction boxes, lightning rods, yeah, that's all you. You'll read blueprints, run diagnostics, and fix the kind of shorts that actually matter, not the kind you wear. Trainings at Fort Leonard Wood, 10 weeks of basic, then 6 weeks, and change learning how not to fry yourself. Classroom, fieldwork, and a lot of time with tools and wires that bite back. You'll learn how to power up buildings, test systems, and bring dead circuits back to life, sometimes in the rain, under pressure, with a sergeant asking if it's almost done. Civilian side, you're lined up for jobs in construction, contracting, or union electrical work. With experience most people can't fake. You don't just fix lights, you keep the mission lit. Because when the power's out, you're the generator. And don't get it twisted, this isn't just light bulbs and outlet covers. You might be in a crawl space, on a lift, or mid-blizzard, chasing down a blown panel. You're wiring up armories, ops centers, field setups, real mission infrastructure. That's one MOS explainer vid down, many more to go. You're either in the squad or your background noise. Check the rest of the playlist. Pick your chaos. 0 Day Swag's got an MOS explainer for it. Oh yeah, like and hit subscribe. Or don't, I'm just a toy. If you're still here, enjoy. Yeah, this track slaps, you're welcome.